Today, I'm going to show you how to integrate Affinity with Claude AI. Before we start, make sure you're already using Affinity 3.2 or later, which launched in April 2026, and that you also have Claude Desktop installed. To get the Claude Desktop application, go to claude.ai and click Download on the login page, or find the Download app page. Choose the version for your operating system, click Download, and follow the installation process. After that, we can move on to setting up the connection between Affinity and Claude. So let's get into it. We're going to set up Affinity first. Go to Edit, then Settings. On the left side, you'll see Model Context Protocol or MCP. Click on it. Then on the right side, you'll see Enable Affinity MCP. Turn it on. Close the window and you'll see a message saying Restart is required. Click Yes. Next, open the Claude Desktop application. On the sidebar, click Customize, then click Connectors. Click the plus icon, then select Browse Connectors. Now search for Affinity. Click the plus icon, then click Install. Next, click Configure right here, and you can choose which tools you want to allow. For this tutorial, I'm going to select Always Allow. Then click here to go back. Now let's make sure both Affinity and Claude Desktop are running and connected. I'll type, can you see the Affinity MCP server? This means they are connected. So now let's get Claude to automate a task in Affinity. I've got some shapes in Affinity, and all the layers currently have the same name. Now I want Claude to rename each layer according to the shape. So I'll go back to the Claude app and ask it to rename each layer according to the shape. I'll type, please rename each layer logically. It will run some commands. Let's wait a little longer. More commands are running. And it's done. If we go back to Affinity, we can see the layers are now renamed. So that's how you integrate Affinity with Claude. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.